She didn't want your cherries, Usher. Man, I'm playing with one of my bestest, man. This is Mr. Raymond. And we found the only 9 holes in America he can't get his balls into. Last one of the day.
Last one, best one.
That's right. Well, that was a good practice swing. Everybody sucks at this game, some less than others. You know what I'm saying?
Most consistently inconsistent game you're going to ever play in your life.
The failure is never as important as the fix. Now that's a good ball. Ow. Usher with the 15-foot putt. She said no.